Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're going to be having chili. It's been chilly outside, so that's a good time to have some chili. Now, Carolyn's on her way out here with her basket. We're going to go up here and get the stuff we're needing. See you in just a minute. The wind's blowing today. It has finally quit raining. Of course, we was needing the rain, but we're going to be fixing chili today. Just got to be careful here with this chestnut tree here. As you can see, these burrs, they fall down. It's pointy all over them. One of them falls and hits you in the head, you'll know it. Alrighty, we're going up here to get some of our stuff that we need to make the chili. Let's head up here and get it. Well, we missed it. Carolyn just about got hit in the head there. Let's come up here. We'll show you here in just a second when we get inside. Alrighty.
Kind of beans you want?
Well, we got 2 cans of butter beans. I don't care. Grab another can. We're not going to put as many beans as we usually do in it, folks.
Got black, kidney, pinto.
Me and Daniel chose the butter beans. Now you choose whatever else you want. Like I always say, folks, make this your own. That's enough beans, what we got in there, because don't really need. I'm sort of on a low carb diet right now. About time to go back to the doctor. Need to lose a little bit of weight here from what we've been doing.
Crushed tomatoes.
Yep, crushed tomatoes. Let's see. Go ahead and grab another thing of crushed tomatoes. Okay. Alrighty. Now, see you in the house, folks. Alrighty, folks. Now, we're only going to use half of this burger here. Carolyn is going to try the other half with some of the Sloppy Joe starters she made. Have you showed them out yet, Shug?
Not yet.
Okay. That'll be coming up, folks. Alrighty. Daniel ain't, ever since he's had his one gallbladder surgery, seems like beef, he can't eat a whole lot of it. So we're going to be using some ground pork in there also. And then, like I said, folks, make this your own. This is just giving you some ideas. We're going to be using crushed tomatoes. A lot of people use diced tomatoes, but we're going to be using crushed. And here's some different beans. Pinto beans Carolyn's canned. Some black beans. And then me and Dan, we really like these butter beans. You like them too, Shug?
Yes.
Okay. Me, Dan, and Carolyn, all 3 of us like these butter beans. And we got 2 cans of that. Carolyn will start off. She's going to dice us up a tomato. We're going to put a little bit of oil down the bottom of the pan, the pot. And then we'll add just a little bit of garlic. We'll give you how much we use. And then some cumin, chili powder, coarse black pepper. You don't have to be coarse. And then some salt. And we'll go from there. Let's get started, folks. Alrighty, folks. Oh, hold on one second. Let me pause this video real quick. Right now we was watching Life with Belinda and Chuck. Great channel, folks. Check them out.
I got thin blood, like my mama used to always say.
We missed the lives, so on days I'm off, I try to go back and catch what I missed. Alrighty. Now what we're going to do, we'll start off, we got it heating. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. And like I said, folks, I've always said, make this your own. Whatever you want to do. We just give you some ideas. Here's our onions. few minutes there. We'll turn this down just a little bit. Get the spoon. That's the one Daniel's made. Now, turn it down just a little bit. Garlic, we just kind of eyeball that just a little bit. Only about a half a teaspoon. We still haven't got our new stove yet. We're going to be. We're just kicking the can down the road as long as we can here. Better not kick it too long, or look, they'll quit selling or something. Or they'll outlaw them. Alrighty. Get ready here in a second. Put in our. And down in the comments, leave us what kind of chili you like. I'm going to be honest, this is one of the first times we've tried using the ground pork chili. I think it'll be good. And like I said, the burger, we're just going to use roughly half of it in there with it. Alright, let me get this stuff opened up. Alright, now what we're going to do is just going to brown the burger and the pork up. And turn that back up a little bit there now. And what I'll do before I put in the cumin and the pepper and the sugar. Did we tell them about the sugar?
No.
We forgot. Also going to put in just a little bit of sugar in this here. But I always, like I said, this is entirely me, folks. It's up to you. Carolyn may do it different too. I generally wait before I start adding the seasoning till we get the sauce in there. Yeah. Now it's up to you. In my thoughts, and I may be entirely wrong, I always figured in the liquid it would incorporate better. Like I said, I may be wrong. It's just the way I've done it. And I guess growing up seeing Mom, that's the way she did it there. Alright. And like I said, how do you do yours, sir? Alright. We'll be back here as soon as that gets browned up some. Alright. We poured in one thing of crushed tomatoes. Now getting ready to pour in the second. This over here aside. Give this a good stir. Now what we'll do, we'll put in our spices. Okay. Alrighty. Now, as far as spices go, we've got 2 teaspoons of salt in there. We have got a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. We have got 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, and we've got 2 tablespoons of chili powder. This is just to get us started. After we taste it, we may have to add a little bit more or something. Once again, folks, make this yours. And I don't know about you all, when I put the beans in, I just leave the juice in the beans. That's entirely up to you also. Okay, let's put that in there and give it a stir. Now, And chili is a good thing. You can make it, eat off of it several days. Great to take to work for lunches. And we're going to try to talk Carolyn into making some of those one crackers. And it's funny, the one video we was watching. Just keep watching that over there, Shug.
Kinda crazy. Good morning, Paul. Whoop, where'd it go? I clicked on you, but it jumped on me. Let's see. Good morning. Working and listening. Chili sounds good. You know, chili does sound good, don't it? I think I would like some chili. I need to make some chili. Might make some, won't go to the can. Huh?
Yep, Chuck's got talking about chili also. Alrighty, now let me get the beans. We'll put them in there. Great old big butter beans. Let's throw these away.
We like our chili saucy.
Yeah, that there, that's also just another preference for you. I know a lot of people add tomato paste and masa flour to thicken it up, but I just always have liked soupy. That's entirely up to you. Leave that in the comments how you like yours. Alrighty. Now, what we'll do, we'll get this stirred up. We'll let it come up to a boil, and then we'll turn it down to a simmer, and then we'll start taste testing. Now, my taste tester is still a little ways off. We'll probably have Carolyn and Dan doing most of the. I believe it's slowly coming back, folks. It's better after 2 years. You'd think should have done been back by now, but alrighty. That's another reason why I'm on a low carb diet right now. It's a bad thing when someone that diabetic and what they can actually taste is sugar. Sugary stuff, I can taste it just when it comes to the other stuff. It's sort of a cruel joke if you ask me there. But alrighty, folks, we'll see you shortly. Alrighty, here we go, folks. Now we did go back and add, what else did you put in there?
I added about a half teaspoon of salt and maybe a couple teaspoons of chili powder.
Alrighty.
Just to their taste. They'd have to.
Yep. Make it yours. Here's some of them crackers. They're low carb. If you'd like Carolyn to make a video on that there, leave a thing in the comment. They're low carb, and I was wrong again. It's 4 ingredients.
Yes. Butter,
Salt, egg whites, and cheese. Alrighty, Shug. Give it a try there. See how it is.
Okay.
Now, whenever I'm not on low carb diet, I like to put chili over rice. And Carolyn likes cornbread. Of course, I do. I like cornbread also, but
good. Yummy.
alrighty. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday.